Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me a HP Unveiled Inspire, and I'm gonna show you how to check the Wi-Fi direct password of this device. To do it, we need to open the control panel and here choose Info. Let's scroll down, and as you can see now Wi-Fi direct is off. So we need to click on it and click OK. Scroll down. We need to enable the Wi-Fi direct. So to do it, we need to open settings, scroll down, find Wi-Fi direct, enable it. Yes. Scroll down, open home screen, open your control panel again, scroll down now, and here we have Wi-Fi direct. Click on it, and now you can see the Wi-Fi direct password. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.